You know, I was trying to do
Alright, where we're landing,
Fortnite
boys.
video, but
I'm gonna get a kill
I figured
streak.
out that my computer can do a lot of stuff that other computers can.
Oh, what the? What the is this? Didn't need this to happen.
Well, if you did not want that to happen like me, just follow my free instructions.
So what you want to do for this part is press ctrl, alt, and delete. And once that, it's gonna show a black screen. If the black screen shows, that means it's one step correct. So you want to press F8, F9, F10, F11, and F12 continuously. Press F8, F9, just press them
I just want to tell you that you need to do them while the screen is black, so yeah.
like this, as much as possible. And now this is gonna show up. You may think this is bad. So lumaband.com is an online store where you can shop t-shirts, hoodies, shorts, and other sporting goods for female and male. Make sure to check them out. Link in the description. Back to the video. But actually no, it's now very easy. Just press this key over here and press enter. And then you're done. See you next time on Bob Basic.